Shawty shine brighter than my VV. Shawty look like she just jumped off a TV. Baby bitch, say why you finagle around the city? We both know you bad, but they tryna do you dirty. Shawty shine brighter than my VV.
Welcome back to my 1 million subscribers. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. You know, you gotta speak that into existence. But thank you for tuning back in, and I do have another makeup tutorial for y'all. So right now I'm just putting on some primer. The first primer I put on was actually Too Faced Hangover Primer, and on top of that I'm using the Tasha Silk Canvas Primer, and it didn't mess up on me this time. And right now I'm just setting that primer with some Laura Mercier Deep Powder, the translucent kind. And for foundation, I am using the NARS Sheer Glow in Macau. I am putting that on first. Let's see. And the next foundation I'm putting on top of that is the Too Faced Chai, I believe. Yes, so I am using the Too Faced Chai in that. And I actually love chai color. I don't know why I mixed the two colors. Maybe because my cow was looking a little too ashy on me. I don't know. I was looking kind of grayish. But yeah, I put Too Faced on top of that. My eyelashes falling off. Jesus. Ooh, look at the baby hairs, y'all. Look at the baby hairs. I really like the baby hairs. And I slick hate putting on baby hair sometimes because when you do makeup and it just get in your makeup. And I hate that. So right now, I'm just about to contour this face. I believe it's some dark color from Makeup Revolution. I think it was their stick foundation in the color 18. And please don't come for me for this dark contour. I know it's gonna get better, so stop. So I'm just putting that on my forehead, and I don't even know why I put makeup on my forehead, because my forehead space is so small since I laid the baby hairs. My forehead is small anyways, the space on it, so I'm not sure why I did that. But yeah, I'm just blending out the contour, looking real gut punch in the faces, but it's gonna come together. And now I am using some concealer. The first concealer I used was Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 12.5. And the next concealer that you see me put it on was actually ColourPop Deep 42 highlighter. So yep, I'm just blending that out with a brush. See, look at my forehead, it's so small. And I don't even know why I blended that out with a brush. I should have used a beauty blender. I don't know, whatever. Everything will come together, so chill. So right now I'm setting that highlight with the MAC Pro Longwear powder in the color C7. So I do like to use that before, or sometimes I use it after I actually put on concealer. So yeah, I'm just blending that into my highlighted areas. Look at my eyelashes, they so cute. And right now I'm putting on Beauty Bakery? Yes, Beauty Bakery yellow powder. That powder will snatch your life. I'm talking about makeup not going nowhere, concealer not going nowhere. Snatched. You hear me? Snatched. Okay. So I am just putting that everywhere. And I am bronzing / contouring my face, I did use Milani Earth Glow powder. And I did go ahead and put that powder on the side of my nose as well. The Beauty Bakery powder, just for my contour. Oh, that contour looking a little too harsh. But anyways, everything gonna come together. I promise you that. Oh, y'all, I had to take a break and eat. I was so hungry. Like, oh my God, I had to take a makeup break and eat. And as y'all can see, I did change my shirt. Like, some makeup had got on my shirt. I was like, nah. And that was the shirt that I planned on wearing that day. So, yeah, I had to put on a shirt fast.
It's hot as what? Juju.
My mama crazy. But yeah, so I am putting on some blush from the Juvia's Place palette. Ooh, why did I make that face? And I just mixed two of the colors in that blush palette. Oh, see the contour blended out. It blended out good. See, I told you I was gonna come together. My face says otherwise. But anyway, yeah. Yeah. And I am at this point, I'm putting over some all over face powder. I believe it's the Makeup Forever face powder that I put on all over my face just to blend everything together. And I am spraying some Morphe setting spray. I love that setting spray. That's my new favorite setting spray. It's really good. And I did do the rest of my face off camera, I believe. Yeah, I really did do the rest of my face off camera. For the highlight, I did use the Wet n Wild Makeup Impressions petals, and for my lips, I use a little bit of everything on my lips. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna make a separate detailed video of everything though. And look at her, here she goes, just so pretty. And once again, I want to thank my million subscribers for tuning in. And I will actually be back with more makeup tutorials. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Fuck with your girl. Comment, like, subscribe.